Well, guys, welcome to the Frugal Gardener's Summer of Redemption. If you follow my channel, you will recall last summer was pretty dismal. Things did not work out the way I expected because I was not living here full time. Now I am. You may recall this guy. The muffin tin is back. I used that to space these yellow onions, and now I'm using it again to space these garlics. Garlics came here in this bag, and they sat for longer than what I wanted them to, but it's fine. This is how they look out of the bag, and you can see they're starting to sprout on their own, which says to me it's time for me to get these in the ground. If you look, it's not very clear, but you can see the indentations. I have there's 12 per pan, so 3, that's 36. I'm about to break these open, and you want to put them in the ground. I put mine roughly about, I don't know, 6 inches deep, and I'll probably cover these, and that'll be it. I don't need to water them. It rained, so it's already wet. So I'm going to get to it because, boy, there is a lot that I have to do this spring to get ready for the spring and summer season. This is just the beginning. I have bags of soil all over the property, and again, I want to thank the frugal son-in-law and the frugal daughter for helping me to jumpstart this season. There's a lot of things that I'm going to get done, and fingers crossed, hopefully this will be an epic season, and hopefully you'll follow along with me. This is the Frugal Gardener, and remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys on the next video in a few days. Make it a good one.